In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add more than one photo on one story on Instagram. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Begin by making sure that your Instagram is fully updated, and then go to post a story and then swipe up on your camera roll. You're then going to select a photo that you want on your story. Now, once you have this selected, you're going to click on the stickers option. It's a little smiley face on the top right corner, and then find the option that has your camera roll in a circle. Now, you're then going to add whatever other picture you would like, and you can do this multiple times to add multiple pictures on one story. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.